Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of STC BTN. In this episode we'll be having a look at the Year 8 project launch day where their topic for this term is Lights, Camera, Social Action.
In small groups, students will be creating a short film to shine a light on a social justice issue. Therefore, the day began with a short film festival where a student enjoyed popcorn and watched a range of entertaining short films. Corinne Fajoret, the coordinator of Pacific Calling Partnership, Edmund Rice Centre for Justice and Community Education, led a workshop on the impact of climate change in the Pacific. This was a thought-provoking workshop and allowed the girls to question their impact on the environment.
The great thing about solar is that poor countries can have easy access to it. It's easy to set up a solar panel installation. So that's a really wonderful thing.
Mr. Mark McCoy, St Clair's Religious Education Coordinator, showed us the voices and the importance of the Uluru Statement of the Heart.
Of the land on which we gather, I pay my respects to their elders past and present.
Chris Grainger from Grainger Films explained the technical details about filmmaking on an iPhone, setting up interesting shots and using lighting. These skills will definitely come in handy in the students' making of their own short films.
For this one, a cinema camera is appropriate, and then for other productions, we might use a smartphone, we might use a DSLR, but we determined that depending on production. This was a short film with a guy named James Gribble, who was a quadriplegic who learned how to play golf, and we followed his story from when he had his accident right through to playing golf. This is a random content piece that we did with an alcohol company, and noticed all of that was shot in portrait mode, so it was all long, and we took the camera and turned it on the side and filmed the entire production.
Anne Nesbitt from Jesuit Refugee Services opened our eyes to the stories of refugees and people seeking asylum and the importance to understand their stories.
What is the definition of a refugee? Is it a person who claims to be fleeing persecution and in need of protection, though his claim has not yet been formally evaluated?
Bea Teakiko, ex-St Clair's student, now professional filmmaker at SBS, explained how she was inspired to pursue a career in filmmaking when she made a short film in Year 8 at St Clair's. She talked through her career journey and the process of making a short film.